guys, in this video we are going to check out the PDA Terminator app. So first of all, go to agency level and then go to level up marketplace and then search it and then install it. If you want to install on all the locations, then install on the agency level. Otherwise, you can also install it in a particular location. So in our case, we are going to install on all the locations. So here I click on this and then proceed. So here, wait a second, the app is installing. So after the installation has been done, there will be a message shown that app is successfully installed. So after this, go to location level and then add this custom page, search PDF and then configure it. So now we need the API key for it. So first of all, you need an account. So create the account on pdgenerator.api.com. So after this, go to the settings and here is the API credential. Click on this and after this copy on this. So then go there and click here. So after this click on submit button. The credentials are saved. So after this you can use this app in the automation in the workflow builder.